What's up, guys? Today I finished up the Dallas Rangemaster treble booster I've been working on. I'm gonna link the diagram and all the info you need to build one of these in the description. So finished it up, it's all resin coated, decal is on it, and we'll flip it over and get a shot of the inside. So we got the on-off switch. It's just the original schematic that is just a regular treble booster, nothing fancy. We got a 10K pot in there, and then we got some capacitors. We got a transistor to replace that OC44 that gives such that beautiful sound, just like Tony Iommi and Brian May. Battery compartment. So I'm gonna list the parts in the description like I did with my Dallas Arbor fuzz face build. Everything you need will be listed in the description, and then you can download everything from MediaFire.